Hey guys, today's gonna be a quick video. Well, actually, no, I don't know what it's gonna be. Let's figure out. So, I am going to teach you how to clean a graphics card. So, I'm taking this video from the point of view of someone who's just gotten a new graphics card, or maybe they bought a used one. Well, most likely bought a used one, and it's just dirty. Oh man, you can barely see it. It's just disgusting. There's literally dirt in the fans and the heatsink, and I've never taken this card apart. This is a GTX 980 that I just got. And I'm just going to teach you guys basically how to clean a graphics card. So this is a Founders Edition 980. Basically, we're going to go onto the back, and we want to get this whole heatsink off. But we don't want to take everything off. So we're not going to do these 4 big screws, because that'll take the whole thing off, and we just don't want to deal with it. We're going to remove every small screw on this back plate, which I'm pretty sure just removes the back plate. Founders Editions always have more screws. One second, let me grab a magnetic parts tray. I happen to have an extra one. That is always recommended. And I fixed a kit and a parts tray. Because sometimes these graphics cards have like Torx screws and stuff. But a magnetic parts tray is always recommended. And one that usually doesn't... Wow, these are long screws. So we're just going to unscrew every one that's not those 4 main screws. Because those 4 main screws actually hold the heatsink onto the GPU. And we don't want that coming off. And I'm kind of going to show you guys through the whole process. I'm not going to skip anything. This might be a long video because I want to show you guys, kind of walk you through it, almost do it as I'm doing it as well. Or if you're just interested to see if this card even boots after. Though honestly, I don't even have a computer nearby. Though in other news, while I'm just talking and unscrewing this, I put 32 gigs of Trident Z RGB or Trident Z Royal into Threadripper. That looks nice. I just need 32 more gigs and I could have a full set because Trident Z next to each other looks amazing. Some of the screws really don't want to come out. It's almost like the graphics card screws, they always have like blue paint on them. I don't know if anyone's ever noticed it. They have like blue, yeah, like I'm showing it to the camera as if it's so high res. I'm not even recording in 4K. I gotta save on the file space. I have 1 battery and I have 1, what's it called? SD card. And I'm completely out of hard drives. If anyone has free hard drives, send them over. Alright, so we've almost gotten every screw off the back here. And we're just going to remove this back plate. I believe that's every screw. We're just going to rip this back plate right off. Oh, great. It's multiple parts. Oh, 1 more screw over here. Though I don't think that's what's holding it on. Oh, there was 100%. Yeah, there's a screw under it. Can I get... Oh my god. And it's one of those paper stickers too. This is the process, guys. There we go. It was hiding under one of the stickers. That is so... It's such an obnoxious thing to do. And in the States, they're actually technically illegal. Now, how do I go about getting this whole thing? Do I have to actually... Can I... Like I said, this is me for the first time doing this. I really don't want to have to take off the whole thing. Usually you can leave the heatsink on, and I think I can. I'm pretty sure I didn't even have to unscrew that. Do I even have this bit? I don't think I have this kind of bit. It's like these Torx screws. Do I... A star. It's a star, man. Welcome back to why does NVIDIA do this? iFixit. This is like the cheapest kit you can get from iFixit. And it has been so useful. I'm pretty sure I just wasted that time on the back plate. Then I can get a custom back plate if I want to. So, like I said, Founders Edition. Your card, like that spray painted card, I had to take the heatsink and everything off. Came off in 2 different parts. All I did was unscrew 4 screws to get the top off. Cleaning it would be a blast. But oh no, not NVIDIA. We don't do that here. We make our Founders Edition cards literally impossible to open. Oh, that's a different kind of screw. What am I unscrewing? I don't even know what I'm unscrewing. I'm just unscrewing everything that is connected to this. I thought this was just going to be like couple screws on the back, how to clean a graphics card. Nope. It's about to become how to water cool a graphics card because you gave up cleaning it. Like and subscribe. If this video gets, I don't know, 100 likes and 20 comments telling me to do so, I will totally custom water cool a loop with this graphics card and sell it or give it away. Like, I mean, I love this GTX 980. Okay, that definitely should not have to come off, right? Do these top things have to come off? These have to come off. And they're tight on there, man. This iFixit, like the iFixit screwdrivers are great. But realistically, they have like, if something's really tight on the frickin' card, it's just not your friend. No, I'm pretty sure they've got better drivers. Like I said, I'm using their basic version. Don't I just look professional? That's not coming off. That just took my driver right out. I can't. I seriously, and that's it. That's the only, I think that this is about to be the end because the screw is so tightly on there that it actually is not going to come off. I got one more thing to try, and this screwdriver ain't much better. Got it. Thank you, random unnamed screwdriver. Ready to come off yet? What else needs to come off? This has to come off too, right? Guys, this wasn't worth it. I should have just left it dirty as hell. Or like I said, just blown the dirt somewhere else so I couldn't see it. Doubt that actually did anything. Nope, I've got to unscrew the things around the fan. There we go. Oh man, that is so never going back on. And just like that, we finally have access to most of our graphics card. This fan I still need to get. That's just disgusting. I don't even know if Air's going to do it. This is so gross. This wasn't worth the $0 I paid for it. There we go. That works rather well, actually. Now the fan. How am I going to get this fan? I got to get to the fan. If anything, that's not possible. So I'm glad I actually came in here and did that. Now let's see what I can do about this fan. Oh, I could probably... Oh my god, my desk is disgusting now. Oh no, it's disgusting. I don't care. I don't vacuum. Does this have like a... Yeah. I could probably get this into the fan. Because I want to blow it out the top, not just into the card. That I just spent 2 seconds blowing all over my desk. Just look at my desk now. And tell me this card wasn't in need of a desperate cleaning. My god. What was this for? Who knows? Get all my stuff out of the way, man. My poor desk. We'll have to clean this up after. So I want to get in here like that. Spin it around a little bit, why not? God damn. One like equals one F for dust in my face from a graphics card. This is the kind of thing you do outside. You know what? I'm going outside. I'm done. What you have to do to make it so the fan is so dirty that even air can't do anything is a mystery. Like, I can't even... It's a lot better, but I can't even get that all out. Let's use the slightly more expensive can. One thing I can recommend is just do this outside. Please, for me, just do this outside. Maybe grab a Q-tip, really get in those fan blades. Now this is kind of, not, I wouldn't say specific to blower style, but what I'm doing right now is a blower style cooler, which are still pretty common in a lot of cards. Even newer ones. Some 2080 Ti's are still blower. They're cheaper to make. So, you just really stick a Q-tip in there. Who cares? Half your Q-tip comes off in the fan. If you let it get this dusty, you didn't care about it anyway. But, how, like, I don't understand how this happens. I don't even, I mean, I'm probably still going to call this how to clean a graphics card for the views, but, like, this isn't how to clean graphics cards. This is called, who the hell lets their graphics card get this bad? If you let your graphics card get this bad, go buy an Xbox. And a taller house. I don't know, one that won't have dust. Really should have started outside, finished inside with the air. So, full honesty, I thought I was done except for the back plate. Then I realized I have a bunch of screws left over, so oh boy. Let's just do the back plate and see why there's screws left over. You evil me. And just like that, no screws left. We just have officially assembled a 980 Ti. 980 non-Ti. This is not Ti. And you know what? It looks slightly better and I'll take it. It's clean. I'm going to call that success. Fine. You guys want me to... I'm guessing you guys want me to test it. Okay. I happen to have a computer right here. Now, I'm lazy and also don't have a camera person, because this is my house at 3 a.m. So I'm just going to shove it in the computer, and I'll tell you if it works. And you're just going to have to believe me. Because why would I lie to you? It's content if it doesn't work. I can't get it. I can't. What am I doing wrong here? Alright, it lights up. It's farther than I got on the freaking Gigabyte, and we got a screen. You can't even see it because screw you. Now we got a screen. Do we get like an actual screen though? Oh, it said something. It said words. I saw words. It said something about. Oh yeah, this is a PNY GTX 980 whatever. Why do I have to? Hey, we're at Windows. On. That's besides the point. I hope you guys kind of enjoyed, and if you've made it this far, congratulations. I love you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned something. Good, and the driver just installed. That's sick. So we have a working. Actually, I still love these fans. I have a working GTX 980 now. If you have any suggestions, probably gonna try to run a VR with it once I get a setup going. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.